Hi, welcome to EndoCollab, a worldwide community of endoscopists. So, today I'm introducing you to a series of lectures and vlogs that we will be holding on a weekly basis, focusing on what EndoCollab is about. Quality in endoscopy, tips and tricks in endoscopy, how to become better in endoscopy, and mainly networking and learning from each other. Whenever we are in the endoscopy room, we are using utensils and accessories. So we will be talking about the endoscopy card, how to load it, what utensils are inside, and we will be talking about several tricks and tips and specifics about tools. Most of it you probably already know, but some tricks may not. So this will be a quite interesting journey. And during my entire career, in addition to having knowledge of the card that we use in the endoscopy unit, our emergency card or the regular card, I always carried a toolbox like this one. So a toolbox is essential for any endoscopist. So this toolbox will be also a topic of several series, because you will be surprised of how many elements that are in the toolbox are essential for your endoscopy unit to work perfectly. For example, if you are resecting polyps that are larger, you want to pin them on a board. So it's very important that you have needles to pin them on corks, needles of different sizes. Some may ask, what is a wire cutter doing inside of this toolbox? So down the line, you will be learning for what indications we have wire cutters in our toolbox and when do we use them. Every toolbox, you should have scissors, suturing devices, and measuring devices, rulers. Because in endoscopy, we are like fishermen. When we resect the polyp, we just say it's huge and mention the size, but fisher always exaggerate. But measuring it exactly with some of these rulers, you can take a picture and then have a specific correlation. Here I have a little cork-like device that is used for pinning polyps, and during some of the lectures we also will be talking about caps, distant transparent caps. So here, for example, I have two caps, distant caps, but you will be surprised how many types of caps they are and for how many uses you can apply them. Some traditional uses and some emergent uses. And I will also show you how to create some utensils, because we need to remember that essentially everything that we use in endoscopy was handmade. Now we can buy most of the equipment, but I assure you there will be occasions where you need to create an instrument. You need to do a technique such as pushing a stent that is very tiny and you don't have a pusher, but I will show you that there is some pushers to do that, some other instruments that can be used to do that. And clipping is not just placing a clip. So there is so many types of clips. There is clips with long arms, short arms, long neck, short neck, wide application, rotatable, with a sheet, etc. So I hope this little introduction motivated you to follow us on EndoCollab and also to be a member and become a member and share your experiences, your photos, your videos, and your tips and tricks, because this is a community around the world. We already have members from 50 countries, and within the last 30 days, we have been growing and growing, and I look forward to see you at some live congresses and meet you personally. Bye-bye.